Hi, friends. I'm glad you're here. This lesson is made for anyone who wants to improve their listening and expand vocabulary step by step. You don't need to be perfect, just keep practicing with me. While listening, try to catch the words you know and notice the new ones. We will explain and practice them together. So, take a deep breath, focus on the sounds, and enjoy learning English today. The life of an office worker is very different from a student's life. It has a fixed schedule, usually from 8 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon. Weekends are often free for rest and personal hobbies. The main tools for work are computers, papers, emails, and meetings. This job is not physical work like manual labor, but the mental pressure is big and always there. This pressure comes from deadlines, work targets, and many reports. The work environment is clean, professional, and has air conditioning. The work seems stable but has many challenges. This routine gives stability but can become boring. The predictable schedule creates a feeling of safety, but the constant pressure can make you feel very tired. The comfortable environment can sometimes feel limiting. The routine is both good and bad. It removes the chaos of changing schedules, but it also reduces freedom and spontaneity. The challenges are more in the mind than the body. They include managing stress and staying focused. The stability is attractive, but has a cost. This is the basic trade of office life. Monday morning often brings a feeling called Monday blues. It is a feeling of tiredness and not wanting to start the work week. The first task is usually to check and answer many emails. People then organize their work and plan meetings for the week. Some active people make clear plans and set possible goals. Others develop bad habits, like looking at social media. They use coffee breaks as an excuse to delay important work. The office is a place of order, but also has hidden tensions. Fights can easily start from misunderstanding or competition. This creates the tone for the whole week. Beating the tiredness needs conscious effort. The active way is important for a productive week. Setting possible goals gives direction. However, the temptation to procrastinate is always there. The hidden office politics add complexity. Moving through this environment needs emotional intelligence. The predictable schedule doesn't mean an easy day. It is a fight between focus and distraction. This Monday momentum often decides the week's speed. It is a common challenge in the company world. A normal day includes times of strong focus and teamwork. The morning is often for concentrated work and quick meetings. Lunch is a short break for eating, often at the desk or canteen. A short nap or rest might follow to fight afternoon tiredness. The time after lunch is famously difficult for keeping energy. Many use afternoon tea or coffee to refresh and talk with others. This is also when office gossip and drama often appear. There might be quiet talks about competition or soft judgments between colleagues. The official end of the day doesn't always mean going home. Many stay late to meet deadlines or because bosses expect it. This constant cycle is the main nature of daily office work. The teamwork is necessary but can be tiring. The afternoon tiredness is a common experience. The social gossip gives a temporary distraction from work. However, it can also create a toxic environment. The unspoken pressure to work overtime is a big problem. It makes the line between work and personal time unclear. This predictable but demanding routine defines office life. The challenge is to find peaceful moments in the daily grind. It is a test of endurance and mental strength. The rhythm from Monday to Friday is steady and regular. It is full of meetings, report work, and project management. Some companies need half-day work on Saturdays, but many now give a full 2-day weekend break. The good points include job stability and better income. Benefits like insurance and other extras are also important. There are chances for promotion and skill improvement. The bad points include stress and competition inside the company. A sitting lifestyle is a common health risk. Long overtime can seriously affect health and personal life. This structured rhythm gives a frame for productivity. The chance for growth is a main attraction. However, the constant sitting is a big health risk. The stress from inside competition can be exhausting. The unspoken expectation to work late is a serious problem. Balancing these aspects is key to survival. The predictable schedule helps in planning personal life, but the demanding workload often breaks those plans. This is the basic paradox of office work. It offers stability but demands a high mental price. After work ends, choices are very different among people. Many go home to rest, cook, and spend time with family. Others go out for dinner, coffee, or exercise with colleagues. A common habit is afternoon tea chat to connect with coworkers. But this can also be a source of unnecessary office drama. The habit of working overtime becomes difficult to stop. Often this extra time does not get extra pay. Weekends are golden time for family, friends, or catching up on sleep. Some still bring work home, breaking the work-life balance. Finding this balance is the final challenge for office workers. This life beyond the desk is vital for well-being. The unnecessary drama can poison the work environment. The habit of unpaid overtime is a widespread problem. It seriously affects mental health and personal relationships. The final goal is to separate work and life. Breaking the balance leads to burnout and dissatisfaction. Sometimes, you may find a word in our practice that is not fully explained or translated. Do not worry, it is a normal part of learning. Making mistakes and facing confusion is not a setback, it is a natural step forward. Remember, practice is always a gradual journey, never something that happens overnight. If you feel frustrated, just take a deep breath and continue. You can even repeat some sentences while you are in the shower or while brushing your teeth. Learning is not about being perfect. It is about building a habit that slowly shapes your future. Thank you for spending time with me today. Keep practicing, and I will see you again in the next episode.